So in my last video, you have to check it out. So Walmart has a beauty box, and I was so surprised what I got on my beauty box. I thought I was just gonna get samples, like, you know, like little samples, just like little packs, little samples. No, I got like full-size stuff. I mean, that's crazy. For $6.95, not bad. So what they did give me, I already did a video, I already opened this, but they gave me this mascara from CoverGirl. All right, so I'm kind of really fussy when it comes to my mascara. Right now I have the eyelash extensions on, so I really don't put any mascara on, but I'm really kind of fussy with my mascara because I don't like anything looking heavy or clumpy or looking like spider. You know, it just look, I like a nice natural kind of clean look, and this is called Super Cloud, but I really just want to put it on top of my, do people do that? Do people put mascara on top of eyelash? I haven't had eyelash extensions on in years, and I never put mascara on, but I'm gonna just try it just to see if there's a huge difference. So that's what, I mean, the lady did a really nice job, and I'm gonna have to do another video on where I got them done because I didn't pay full price. Let me tell you that. All right, well, let's give it a whirl. And I normally like to do a brown mascara. I don't know, I feel like this is not clumping, which is really awesome because I do not, believe me, if they clump, I'm gonna take it right off. But I mean, here's before, after, and I guess I can see why they call it cloud is because it's really light. So I mean, nothing's altered. This is the before and this is the after. It doesn't look clumpy, but yet it looks natural, and that's pretty much all my makeup stuff is all about. It's about being just a natural, wearing makeup because I have to wear makeup. I love makeup. Even when I'm not going anywhere, put makeup on. It brightens your day. I don't know what it is. It just makes you feel good. But I mean, look at this. My eye is, I mean, it's popped. But that's no mascara, nothing. Nothing right here. And then the CoverGirl Cloud that I just got in my beauty box from Walmart. It's a subscription box. Looks like that. I just opened it, did a video, check it out. But yeah, not bad. I wonder if they have it in brown. So this is black. But honestly, maybe the black doesn't look so bad. I mean, sometimes it's okay to change up your game a little bit because I am in kind of like in a hole, honestly, because I am stuck wearing the same, like I wear black, I wear white, I wear navy, and I want to step out and I want to see what other kind of colors would look good on me. I don't know, but as far as the mascara, which this video is about, I like this. I would say 1 out of 10. I mean, honestly, I would give it a 10 because it didn't clump. It did what I wanted it to do, and it still looks natural. I like this. This is pretty cool, and I would tell you the truth if I didn't like it, because why not? If I don't like something, I'm not going to continue to use it. But this CoverGirl Super Cloud, it was in my beauty box. I don't know if it's a brand new product because I honestly don't go and look for mascaras. I love my Dior mascara from Sephora. It's brown and it gives me like an ombre effect. I made a video about that too. But yeah, the Super Cloud, this is what it looks like. Let me show you the wand. That's so important. And that's another thing. This wand, I like a big fluffy brush. This is not my big fluffy brush. This is a plasticky little plastic brush, but honestly, I did a face, but it's actually really cool. I don't mind it. I'm not going to put any more on because I'm going to do my other eye. There we go. I mean, look at that. And it's not clumpy. that's the thing. If it's clumpy, I'm not going to wear it. If it's going to run down my face, I'm not going to wear it. If it's going to look not natural, I'm not going to do it. That made a huge difference. So if you don't wear mascara and you want to try something new, but you don't want to spend like 40 bucks on a mascara, try this. I would say that this is definitely Ange Renea approved. That's my YouTube channel, Ange Renea. So yeah, give it a try. I don't know. Let me know what you think and what other kind of mascaras are out there that kind of are similar like this, because if I could not have to spend 40 bucks on a mascara, I mean like this, I actually will probably continue to use this because this looks gorgeous. It made my eyes pop and I didn't have to spend 40 bucks on it. I mean, it did come in my beauty box, but I mean, this is probably under $10. Not bad. So, all right, let me know what you use. Let me know that, do you like browns or blacks? Because I was pretty stuck on my brown, and now that I've tried the black, kind of opened up a new door for me. So it's always good to try something different, and I'm always reading the comments because I too like to try things that you guys try, and if you have any hacks, I mean, that's fun too. It's all about community and sharing with one another. So that's what's beautiful about YouTube and all this social media. So, all right, well, you have a great day and just live happy. All right, bye.